65 here. Teams are ready in 3, 2, 1, go. Autonomous mode cruising, 69-16H, mobile goal in possession, second cone. They attempted, didn't quite get it. 3,500. They've got 2 cones in possession. At the end of the bonus is going to go to blue. Driver control in 3, 2, 1, go. So blue starts out with a live score of 32-0 right now. That autonomous bonus definitely helping them out. We'll see if it makes a difference in the grand scheme of the match. 1 minute, 30 seconds, plenty of action to be had here. Our teams on the Red Alliance loading up quickly, just one after another. Drive team just putting them up, and just as fast the robots got it loaded. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Here's 13. We got a baker's dozen in possession of 69-16H. VVT Team H from Upton, Massachusetts, Blackstone Valley High School. Dropped that off successfully in the 10-point zone. For some reason, I have a feeling that that stack won't be beat. But Blue 363A is on a mission to prove me wrong. Anonymous out of Anaheim, California. SoftEmpower Robotics. Now we see both red and blue robots going 1 for 1 pretty much on the stationary goals. Red has some space to make up, but red seems to stack just a little bit faster. It's hard to tell. It looks like they're going to give up on that pursuit. So blue's going to get that stationary goal bonus. Nope, I was wrong. 3,500. Still going. We're down to 10 seconds now in this very interesting match. High stacks all around as our robots get tangled up with 4 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. That's a wrap on 65.